I thought it was going to be a bad trip home. Not the best of conditions, but it looks a lot better. Hiya. This is the Geese, Dan Donovan. This is the part of the show where Uncle Danny talks to you kids about the news. Well, at least the way the news looks to me. It's called The Other News, and it remains unsponsored. Darn it. Folks are still talking about Michelle Obama's Tuesday night dress. Remember that? The sleeveless look hasn't gotten this much buzz in D.C. since President Bush gave the Medal of Freedom to Larry the Cable Guy.